Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's lesson we will learn about a house maritime attorney. So let's move to the topic, a brief history of maritime admiralty law. Maritime law and admiralty law are two terms that can be used interchangeably. Importantly, maritime law, also called Admiralty law, is what governs offshore accidents. Maritime workers have almost always adhered to certain specific laws that govern their industries. Although much of general maritime law in the United States comes from the Constitution, there are other sources for these regulations as well. Below we will list some of the most important laws, statutes, and regulations that are crucial when it comes to maritime injury cases. What is a maintenance and cure is maritime law. Two important factors is Jones law cases or maintenance and cure. Maintenance is the compensation that your employer must provide to you while you recover from an illness or injury. The intent behind maintenance is to provide compensation for a recovering worker cost of living on land. However, many maritime employers try to keep these payments to a minimum. Working with experienced maritime attorney can potentially give you a better chance at a higher maintenance payment in your case. Cure is the medical care that your employer must provide to you after you suffer a work-related injury. It basically compensates for a treatment necessary for your recovery. While many employers don't want you to know this, offshore workers have the right to choose their own doctor under maintenance and cure. One crucial question remains how long to maintain maintenance and cure benefit laws. Generally, maritime and harbor construction workers can receive these benefits until they reach maximum medical improvement. MMI is the point when your injury, illness, or condition will no longer improve. Once you reach maximum medical improvement, your employer is no longer obligated to pay for further medical bills and treatments. We highly recommend speaking with trained maritime lawyer for your case. We will ensure that all your legal rights and benefits are protected. The next one, when it does maritime law actually apply? It is important to understand which offshore accident cases actually fall under this jurisdiction of maritime law. In the United States, maritime law applies in any case that arises on navigable waters. Navigable waters are those used for commerce, trade, or travel between multiple states or foreign countries. Any body of water that is fully contained within a single state, such as a lake, is not subject to federal maritime law. Maritime law covers a wide array of maritime accident cases. Examples include cases involving offshore oil rigs, shipping disaster, underwater welding accident, and other injury cases. It can even come into play in cases of piracy, contract disputes, and even maritime insurance issues. Because of the countless cases types that fall under maritime law, you need experienced offshore injury lawyer on your side. What exactly is a maritime lawyer? Maritime attorney are one of the many types of personal injury lawyer that handle maritime injuries cases, boating accident cases, and even commercial maritime cases. At our Houston law offices, Rich and Ben Stock is passionate about protecting the rights of injured maritime workers. If you are having trouble securing compensation from your employers or an insurance company, our maritime lawyers are here for you. We will examine the facts of your case during your fee consultation, apply federal law to your claim, and outline your legal rights. It's important for injured workers to have qualified legal representation in any personal injury case. This is especially true in more complex practices areas such as maritime law, contract A Houston maritime injury lawyer will reach and Beanstalk to connect with a compassionate, aggressive trial lawyer for your case. What kind of accidents need a Houston maritime lawyer? As we stated previously, many different cases try fall under the justification of maritime law. Our Houston maritime attorney have handled many maritime cases such as the following: cruise ship accident, cargo ship accident, commercial boating and fishing accidents, wrongful death cases, oil and gas workers injuries, shipyard accident, workers falling overboard, checkup freight accidents, deckhand injuries, dredge accident. Many of the cases handled by maritime lawyers involve devastating and catastrophic injuries. For example, if two large ships collide, the damage can be highly detrimental to both shipping companies and their vulnerable employees. Because of the high level of damage, it's important for victims to work with an experienced maritime lawyer from the very beginning of their case to the very end. What is a maritime injury? In order to better understand maritime injuries and the laws surrounding them, we will first cover the Jones Acts. This statute outlines and regulates a majority of U.S. domestic shipping. Basically, it requires goods that are shipped between U.S. ports to be transported on vessels that are built, owned, and operated by U.S. citizens or permanent residents. The Jones Act is a small yet very important section of the 1920 Merchant Marine Act. Importantly, the Jones Act not only outlines maritime commerce regulation but also provides sailors and maritime workers with certain protections. These protections include the ability to seek damages for injuries from crew, captain, or ship owner. What are the most common causes of maritime injuries? Unavoidable and extreme weather conditions, long working hours and lack of sleep, drugs or alcohol abuse, other form of reckless or negligent behavior. Maritime injury statistic. Next one is what to do after a maritime injury. When you have passed maritime injury, you can do first and foremost seek immediate medical attention. This is important for a few reasons. Primarily, it will ensure that your injuries do not worsen or go unnoticed for too long. It also closely ties your injury with the date and time of your accident by generating medical records that you can use in your case. Next, report the injury or accident to your employer. Next, contact a Houston maritime lawyer. Gather evidence to support your claim. Refrain from discussing the case with anyone other than your Houston maritime attorney. What is the time frame of choose your job for maritime injuries under the Jones Act? Do I find a maritime injury lawyer in Texas? In today's lesson, we will cover all about a Houston attorney. So I think you will enjoy the topic much. Thanks for watching the videos.